A very good morning to class 4th. Today we will revising our chapter 10. Right? In the last video we revised the chapter 9. Today we revise chapter 10. And in this chapter 10 you will study about weight. See, as I told you the topic weight. In your mind, strike the question that what is weight? Exact meaning we don't know that of weight, right? हमें पता है weight क्या होता है. कोई भी जैसे marker है. If I said it is of 10 gram, so that will be the weight of this, right? But the definition of the weight is weight by which we know how much a thin object is heavy, right? What is the weight? By weight we know that how much a thing object is heavy. कि कोई भी जो object है like this marker, or you can take it, this duster, by the weight we know that how much these are heavy. ये कितने heavy हैं, right? So generally weight, when we talk about the weight, the one word that come in our mind, that is kilogram, right? Whenever anybody asks you how much you want, how much sugar you want, right? When you go to buy the sugar and the shopkeeper asks you how much you want, so what you said, either 2 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg. So that kg is tell us about the weight, right? When we add number to this 1 kilogram, it means the sugar shopkeeper gave to us, the weight of that sugar is 1 kilogram, right? So this kilogram is unit of weight. Unit of weight. आप फ्रूट्स लेते हो बेटा, you will take fruits. How? 2 kg apple, right? 3 kg orange. So these 2 kg, 3 kgs, they are the weight of apple and orange, right? They are the weight of fruits which you take from that, right? Now, what does mean by this kg? This kg means kilogram. This kg is the short form of kilogram. What? Kilogram, right? Kilogram means kg. Now 1 kilogram equals to 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. आप कभी ये नहीं कहते, you never say that give 1000 gram apple, give 3000 gram orange, right? So gram, 1000 gram equals to 1 kilogram. Now as you always say 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram, 4 kilogram, we regularly use kilogram. We never used this gram in our day-to-day life, right बच्चे? We never use gram in our day-to-day life. So this gram and kilogram, this kilogram is the standard unit of weight. This kilogram is the standard unit of weight. Always remember this, standard unit of weight is kilogram. How? What do you mean by the standard here? See, as I told you, in regular day-to-day life, we are using, whenever we buy something, we said that give 1 kilogram apple, 2 kilogram orange, right? So standard unit represent here the unit which we use regularly. Which we use regularly. Unit which we use in our day-to-day life. Day-to-day life. Which we used regularly, that is the standard unit of weight. Right? What is that? Standard unit of weight. Now, there one more question. By this, you can easily tell the difference between non-standard and standard unit. Non-standard and standard unit. What is the difference between these two? See, in your worksheet also, there are so many questions which are from the given units, choose which one is non-standard unit. और आप क्या करते हो बच्चे, आप वो यूनिट चूज करते हो जो वेट की होती ही नहीं है. नॉन स्टैंडर्ड यूनिट मीन्स यूनिट तो वो वेट की ही है, बट वी आर नॉट यूजिंग दैट जर्नली, लाइक ग्राम, milligram. See, gram, they are the unit of weight, but we are not using it, so we will call them non-standard unit of weight. What we call this? Non-standard unit of weight are gram and kilogram. So you will write these few points in your notebook. First one, what do you mean by weight? How a thing or object is heavy. Second, SI unit, or you will write standard unit. Standard unit of weight, that is equal kilogram. Standard unit of weight is kilogram. Second point, non-standard unit of weight are gram, milligram, right? Non-standard unit of weight is gram and milligram. Write down these units in your pen notebook. After this, we will discuss that how to express the weight. After this is about the intro. So it is clear, I hope, that standard and non-standard unit, the difference is clear. Standard which we are using, that is kilogram, and non-standard unit. Non-standard भी क्या होता है बच्चे, यूनिट तो वेट की ही होती है वो, लाइक ग्राम, मिलीग्राम यूनिट है. See, as weight of this marker is in gram, weight of your pencil in milligram, right? So non-standard unit means unit that is of weight but not standardized. Now come to how to express the weight. How to express the weight. Expressing means to represent. How you will represent it? See, in your poem, in English, when you read the poem, the poet expresses her views on the given topic on which he or she writes the poem, right? उस पर क्या करते हैं, वो अपने व्यूज को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. सेम एक्सप्रेसिंग द वेट मीन्स कि वेट को आप कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे with the given units. Like we know, in generally we use the two units of weight, that is 1 kilogram and second one is gram, right? Now firstly find the relation between these, that is 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. And you can say 1000 gram equals to 1 kilogram. 1000 gram equals to 1 kilogram. Now for the conversion of this, for the conversion of gram to kilogram and kilogram to gram, how you will convert this? For this, see here, this is kilogram and this one is gram. Kilogram is big than gram. When we change or convert kilogram to gram, when we convert kilogram to gram, multiply by 1000. Multiply by 1000. And when you convert gram to kilogram, there you will divide it by 1000. Gram to kilogram divide by 1000. Kilogram to gram multiply by 1000. Now, one more way that you can learn. See, this one is big, small. So, we will learn like this also. If you will convert any unit from big to small, big to small, there you will multiply. There you will multiply. Right? Big to small, multiply. Small to big. Small to big, divide. This rule you can apply in weight, in length, in capacity, in every topic. In the conversion of the unit, this will be the very useful. Like कोई भी bigger unit है बेटा, big and small one. So big to small. कंपेयर करो. फर्स्टली आपको जिन भी 2 यूनिट्स में कन्वर्ट करना है, लाइक किलोग्राम को कन्वर्ट करना है आपको ग्राम में. सो फर्स्टली यू विल चेक विच यूनिट इज बिग. किलोग्राम इज बिग, सो बिग टू स्मॉल, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, मल्टीप्लाई. एंड इफ यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट ग्राम टू किलोग्राम, स्मॉल टू बिग, और स्मॉल टू बिग, डिवाइड. And by which number you have to divide or multiply, that you will choose between the relation of these two. Whatever be the relation, like 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram, right? The relation between these is 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. It means किलोग्राम को ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो यू विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000. किलोग्राम टू ग्राम मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000. एंड ग्राम टू किलोग्राम, स्मॉल टू बिग, डिवाइड बाय 1000. राइट? सो व्हेन यू विल कन्वर्ट 1 unit to another unit, 1 unit to another unit, there you will check that which unit is big, which one is small, and what is the relation between the units. Right? Like here meter to centimeter you have to convert. So from these two, which one is big? Meter big. Centimeter से meter big है, because 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. By this one is the relation. Big to small, big to small, multiplication and multiply by 100. Right? So this is the best way you can learn. Whenever you have to convert the unit from big to small, there what you will do, multiply, and for small to big, divide. Now come to the questions. That first one is 5 kilogram equals to how many gram? किलोग्राम को कन्वर्ट करना है आपको ग्राम में. बिग टू स्मॉल, मल्टीप्लाई and relation we know 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. So 5 multiplied by 1000, that is 5000 gram. Clear? 5000 gram. Come to second one. 4000 gram equals to how many kilogram? Gram small one, kilogram big one. Small to big, divide, and for division we know that 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. So 4000 divided by 1000. 3 zeros cut by 3 zero, and your answer is 4 kilogram. Answer is 4 kilogram. Clear, students? This is the simple way to express the weight. After this, to convert gram to kilogram and gram, ग्राम को कन्वर्ट करना है आपको किलोग्राम एंड ग्राम में. हाउ यू विल डू दैट? इट इज 3536 ग्राम, राइट, इक्वल्स टू what kilogram and what gram. So as you have studied, we know gram smaller one, kilogram big one. Small to big. So what you will do? Divide by 1000. 3536 divided by 1000. How many zeros? 3. From the last 1, 2, 3. Put the point. 1, 2, 3. Put decimal. And before this decimal, this part is kilogram, and after decimal, the part is of gram. So answer is 3 kilogram 536 gram. Clear, students? Right? So this is the way to express the weight, to convert the weight into gram, kilogram, and to convert this into gram, and to convert the gram to kilogram and gram. After this is addition, subtraction, multiplication of the weight. How you will apply the 4 operation on weight? So as we added the length, same procedure is there to add the weight. Just the main thing, that is unit must be under unit. Unit must be under unit. Right? Means if the question is given to you in kilogram and gram, then you will write the digit. किलोग्राम के आप किलोग्राम के नीचे लिखेंगे, एंड ग्राम यूनिट यू विल राइट digits under gram unit. Like see here one question, that is 52 kilogram 343 gram plus 17 kilogram and 430 gram. Now you have to add this. So main kilogram part must be under kilogram, 52 and 17. Gram 343 gram and 430. Now plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 4, 7. Gram, write unit at last. 7 plus 2, 9, and 5 plus 1, 6 is of kilogram. So answer is 69 kilogram 773 gram. Clear बच्चे? After this, one more point that is very important when you write the answer, and point is unit always comes after digit. Remember this point, unit always comes after digit. Second, that is mean the price or the amount of anything, price, amount or rate that comes before the digit, comes before digits, right? Units always come after the digit. Units are gram, kilogram, meter, liter, centimeter, whatever be, कोई भी यूनिट, मिलीग्राम, माइक्रोग्राम, किलोग्राम, ग्राम, मीटर, सेंटीमीटर, जो भी यूनिट्स है बेटा, इन एवरी टॉपिक दैट विल ऑलवेज कम आफ्टर डिजिट. आप आंसर को ऐसे नहीं लिख सकते. यू कांट राइट लाइक दिस, किलोग्राम 69 and gram 773. This is wrong. So remember this was a point that unit always come after the digit and price, amount or rate of any that will come before the digit. Clear? After this, our next topic, that is about the word problems that you will do yourself. Now the next topic, that is estimating the weight. That is very important topic, about estimating weight. How you will estimate the weight? How you will estimate the weight? So we will do our next topic, that is estimating weight. Yeah, बच्चे. So estimating the weight, it means to round off, right? It means what you have to do with the weight, to round off. Now estimating weight में क्या होता है, हम ग्रेटेस्ट यूनिट में उसको राउंड ऑफ करते हैं. ग्रेटेस्ट यूनिट में यू कैन लाइक दिस, राउंडिंग ऑफ टू नियरेस्ट किलोग्राम, राइट? Estimating weight means rounding off to nearest kilogram. How you will round off the weight? So as I told you earlier that we know 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram, right? 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. Everyone knows this. Now see the question, that is 73 kilogram at 494 gram. 494 gram. This one is given to you. How you will round off? किलोग्राम में राउंड ऑफ करना है. It means this gram part we have to reduce. So see, it will reduce in two conditions. Either it will go to 0 gram, or it will go to 1000 gram, and 1000 gram we know equals to 1 kilogram, right? आपको ग्राम पार्ट को रिड्यूस करना है बच्चे राउंड ऑफ में, और ग्राम पार्ट को रिड्यूस करने के वी हैव टू वेज. फर्स्ट वन, आइदर इट गोज अप टू 0 ग्राम और इट विल गो टू 1000 ग्राम. 1000 ग्राम से किस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? 1 किलोग्राम. एंड 1 किलोग्राम वी विल एड इन द किलोग्राम पार्ट, राइट? सो आपका ग्राम पार्ट जो है वो बिल्कुल रिड्यूस हो जाएगा. नाउ हाउ यू विल रिड्यूस दैट? 494 we are having. If we will make it 0, it means we have to subtract 494. अगर आपको इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, 0 ग्राम पे कन्वर्ट करना है, इट मीन्स आपको 494 इसमें से सब्ट्रैक्ट करने होंगे, राइट? एंड इफ यू want to make it 1000 gram, make it 1000 gram, so what you have to do, you have to go 506 more, means आपको 0 ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए -494 एंड 1000 ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए +506. Now see which one is less. Now choose the less one. 0 gram is less. 0 gram less. It means it will go as the same, that is 730 kilogram. Right? So your answer will be here 773 kilogram. Clear, beta? See one more question, that is 43 kilogram and 775 gram. Same, round off up to nearest kilogram. So we will see the gram part. 775 gram, we have to reduce it. Either it will go to 0 gram or 1000. 40 gram -775, राइट? आपको माइनस करना होगा 775 एंड 4000 ग्राम प्लस 225 प्लस 225. So which one is less, 775 or 225? 225, it means 1000 gram, and we know 1000 gram equals to 1 kilogram. How much kilogram we have? 43. So 43 plus 1 kilogram equals to 44 kilogram. This is the concept of how to estimate the weight. How to estimate the weight. Right, students? After this, in this one more topic, that is how you will estimate the sum and difference. Estimating the sum and difference. So see, we will take these two, that 73 kilogram and 494 gram plus 43 kilogram 775 gram. Estimating the sum. So firstly we will estimate this into kilogram, and answer of this is 73 kilogram plus estimation of this 43 kilogram 775 gram. Estimation of this is 44 kilogram. Now easily you can add it, and your answer is 117 kilogram. Answer is 117 kilogram. Right? This is the way to estimate the sum and difference. Same point पे आप estimate, you can subtract also and find the estimated difference also. If subtraction is given here, so what we do, we will subtract it. 13 minus 4 9 and 6 minus 4 2, and in the subtraction, or you call it estimating difference, answer will be the 29 kilogram. Clear, students? So now our today's topic, that is chapter 10, weight, is over. If anyone have any problem regarding this topic, you can comment and ask. And all the topics which we have discussed, all the definitions which I told you, you will write in your fair notebook. Upper side heading you will write chapter 10 weight revision. Clear, students? So if anyone have any doubt in this topic, you can comment and ask.